Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is perfect number. What is a perfect number? Suppose 6 is there. 6 factors I am writing first. 6 factors are 1, 6, 6 and 2, 3, 6. Next 3 2s also 6. Whenever we are getting 3 2s repeating, just stop. Now this symbol I am writing. 6 factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. Now this sum of all factors I am writing. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay. Sum of all factors of a given number is twice of the number. Suppose 6 2's 12. Okay. Sum of all factors of a given number is twice of the number, then that number is said to be perfect number. Sum of all factors of a given number is twice of the number, then it is said to be perfect number. Okay, perfect number. Sum of all factors of a given number is twice of the number, then it is said to be perfect number. Now one more perfect number, let us check. One more perfect number is 28. Let us check number 28. 28 factors are 1 28s, 2 14s, 4 7s. Okay, that's all. 3 table and 5 table, it won't come. Now 28 factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Now sum of all the factors I am writing. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 14 28, 28 plus 28 is 56. So 28 2's to 8 16 to 2's 4 plus 1 is 5 56. So sum of all the factors of this 28 is twice of the 28, that means 56. Therefore 28 is also a perfect number. 28 is also a perfect number. One more perfect number. So many children, we know the perfect numbers means only 6 and 28. Now one more perfect number and I will say here. What is the perfect number is 496. Let us check. Is it perfect number or not? One easy method we will find. What is the easy method is, first of all 496, write it as a prime factor method. So 496 I am writing as a prime factors method. 2 2's, 2 3's, 2 4's 8 and 2 8 16. Again 2 table. 2 1's, 2 2's, 2 4's. Again 2 table. 2 6 12 and 2 2's 4. Now 2 table. 2 3's and 2 1's. Okay. Now simply 496 factors I will write here. How many? First 1 496. Okay. Now 2 table onwards we will go. 2 table. See 2 how much 496? 248. Okay, 248. 2 into 248. 3 table it is not there because the sum of the digits are not divisible by 3. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 is not there in the 3 table. Now again 4 table it is there because 2 2's 4 no, so this prime factorization method is useful for us now. 2 2's 4 no, 4 how much? 4 124's. Okay, 4 124's. Okay, 5 table also it won't come. Again 6 table also it is not there. Okay, because 2 table and 3 table is it will divisible, then it will divisible by 6 table. Now 8 table. 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8. 8 how much? 8 62's. Okay, 8 62's. Let us check. 62 8 says 8 2 16, 8 6 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. 496. Next, 2 twos 4, 4 twos 8, 8 twos 16. 16 table again it is there. 16 how much? 16 31s. 16 31s. That's all. Okay. Again it will comes in 31 table. Just now 496 factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 31, 62, 124, 248 and 496. Okay. Just I will add these all factors. Okay. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 16 is 15 plus 15 30. 30 plus 1 31. 31 plus 31 is here 62. 62 plus 62 124, 248 and 496. Add these all numbers. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 18. 18 plus 2 20. 20 plus 2 22. 2 here still 2 is there. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 plus 2 16. 16 plus 4 20. 20 plus 9 29. 9 still 2 is there. Okay. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 2 9. 990. Now 496 twice I am doing. 496 twos. 2 6 12. 2 9s 18 plus 1 19. 9 1. 2 4s 8 8 plus 1 9. 992. Here the sum of all the factors also 992. Okay. So the sum of all factors of a number is twice of this number. Therefore 496 also a perfect number. Got it? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.